the freight elevator at Stratford Square Mountain in Bloomingdale, Illinois. Why do they leave it open? Why do they leave that gate open? Oh, motherfucker. I knew it. I knew it. Okay. Oh. No wonder. This is closing gate. Okay. What's this? This one has the EPCO motor. Here's the fixtures. Montgomery A series with square fixtures. Installed in 1981. This one has the EPCO motor. As you can see up here, here's the shaft. Okay, 3, 2, 1. This thing is, capacity is 5,000 pounds. Very good condition. The panel needs some cleaning. The phone is replaced. It used to have like a rotary phone. That tape is covering something. Let's go up one time. It looks like that's breaking off. It's for elevator dock B or C, I guess.